like nasi lemak, something with coconut base, you tend to feel a bit more sippy. Today I'm going to prepare a dish called Ayam Rica-rica. It's actually an Indonesian dish which I like to make for my family because I love curries that doesn't use santan or coconut milk. So I find this dish a little bit more refreshing and lighter on the palate. So we need to put all these ingredients into the blender and blend it up into what we call a rempah. And that's where the base of this chicken richa-richa helps to give flavor and the freshness of the dish. So what goes in? Ginger, galangal. So you cut it into smaller pieces so that it helps with the blending process. Chili, green chilies, shallots, about 15 shallots, about 1 cm piece of turmeric, and then about 10 cloves of garlic. You can either put some oil. If not, you just add a little bit of water to get the blender going. Need a bit more water. Okay, let's hope this blends down. Yeah. You really want to blend it until it's really fine and smooth so that it doesn't have any chunks in there. Now the rempah is done, we're going to start cooking. So what we're going to do first step is to just lightly fry the chicken, just to brown the skin a little as well, and then it will help to seal in the juices. You switch off the fire and remove the chicken. You're going to use the same chicken oil to also fry the rempah, so you got added umami or flavor in it. When you're frying the rempah, you also want to make sure that the fire is not too high heat. Because this rempah is also quite delicate, continuously stir it. So you're going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you're cooking this, you can also start adding in your lemongrass, just to also layer upon the flavors. Now we can add in the chicken and thoroughly coat the chicken with the rempah. This is what we call daun salam, in other words bay leaf. 4 pieces of Kaffir lime leaf in here. If you want more, it's also completely fine. It depends on your flavor palette. 2 cut tomatoes. So now we can let it sit and stew for a bit. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 cup of water to get the stew going because it's going to cook down a little. And then I'm going to close it and let it cook for a bit. Smelling really good. At this point, I'm going to add in the candlenut. In Malay, we call it buah keras. It looks like this. And you can smash it into smaller pieces, into fine little pieces. What this helps is to thicken up the sauce a little, and it also adds a little bit of nuttiness to the sauce. And at this point, I will also add in the Thai Basil. So I will cook it down another 10 more minutes, and it will be ready for serve. There you go, this is Ayam Rica-rica. Please do try it out.